Hi everyone. Building an AI agent sounds simple. You pick an LLM, maybe an OpenAI, Google's Gemini, or Anthropic's Claude. You write a prompt. You write your instructions. Um, you connect to your tools, your skills, and you feel like you're building something powerful. But then reality kicks in. You try to actually make a production ready agent, and that's when you start stitching things together, uh, from your llms to instructions to skills to guardrails, your company's data, your internal tools, your data lakes, your apis, your SaaS systems. You start adding your approval systems in place, your logs, traces, memory, personalization, and before you know it, you are not just building an agent anymore, you are building a complete infrastructure. That's exactly what the problem we kept seeing again and again. Teams started off with a business problem, and the agents were stuck between the prototype and production. So when so we asked a simple question: what if building agents felt less like your engineering infrastructure built and more like plugging into electricity? Hi everyone, this is Kenjal from Drona HQ, and today we are launching the agentic platform from Drona HQ on Product Hunt. Think of it like this: instead of assembling everything from scratch, Drona HQ gives you an intelligence layer plug in any LLM you prefer, uh, your data sources, your internal tools in a secured format. You can plug in to them. Add pre-built tools like your document parser, file parser, your web search, your workflows, your approval systems. Have built-in RAG, no chunking headaches, no embedding headaches, memory, guardrails, observability already handled. So now you're not worrying about how to build the system. You are focusing more on building the actual agent that your business needs. Let's say you want to build an ARAP automation to agent, a claim processing agent which will fast track claims, internal ops assistant, or say a customer facing agent to help with support and uh, support queries and stuff like that. So instead of weeks, you can go from your idea to working agent to testing and iterating in days. Here's our favorite part: there is no subscription. You just sign up, you get 2500 AI credits to start building. And for product and community, we have some special coupons to really push the limits. We have also built in a special something called as an artisan co-pilot, which can help you fast track an initial version of your agent by just prompting into plain English and help you build the agent within the platform. So we're really excited to see what kind of agents you are going to build, and more excited to hear your feedback. Feel free to give it a spin, and thank you so much for your support. Have a great day.